Genereux Urban Regional Park reopens following wildfire assessment. Saskatoon, Saskatchewan. Following a comprehensive post-fire assessment, Genereux Urban Regional Park has been deemed safe for public use and is once again open to visitors. Urban forestry staff, at the request of the Saskatoon Fire Department, inspected the wildfire-affected area and identified 44 small dead trees along park pathways. The overall risk to public safety was determined to be low, and no conditions were found that should warrant continued closure of the park. While the wildfire left visible impacts across portions of the park, environmental organizations such as Friends of the Saskatoon Afforestation Areas view the burned landscape as a unique opportunity to study ecological succession in real time. As native plants, fungi, insects, birds, and mammals gradually return, the site will serve as a living laboratory demonstrating ecosystem resilience, biodiversity recovery, and natural regeneration. Visitors are reminded that tick populations remain high and precautions are strongly recommended when exploring the park trails and natural areas. Friendsareas.ca